Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. As part of the digital marketing initiatives, I am bringing you the SaaS reviews. These reviews and these tools, platform solutions help our community of ARC Tutorial. Today, we are talking about GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of the most stable, reliable, and powerful web hosting solution provider for all the developers and freelancers. Today we'll deep dive, review their features, some of the striking features that why we should select GoDaddy. I'll also talk about the pricing, especially keeping in mind that our community is made of developers, freelancers, and small and medium scale business owners. Let's get started. Let's talk about the features first. GoDaddy offers a wide range of hosting solutions, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, dedicated servers, and much more. They have needs and they have solutions which will fit for an individual developer to a large enterprise project. They provide extremely user-friendly control panel, which makes it easy for us to manage our hosting account, domains, and website settings. The hosting plans comes with unmetered bandwidth, which means you can handle any amount of traffic without any additional charges. They also offer free domain name registration with select hosting plans, which means you get the domain name free when you select a hosting plan. They also offer one-click installers for popular applications like WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, etc. They have excellent customer support with whom you can always reach out if you are needing any kind of a technical help, which in most cases you will not if you are going for WordPress or website builder, etc. But if you still need help, you can always reach out to them for inquiries or issues. They also offer an excellent website builder which has professional templates that you can start using without any knowledge of coding. They offer backup services, restoration services, and much more. All of this is a secured platform with secured on SSL certificates. They also offer other services like email hosting, SEO, online marketing tools, and much more. The pricing is extremely competitive with various affordable plans and promotional offers for new customers. You can check them out at godaddy.com. That's their official website, and you can see they have all the tools listed that you as a business owner, as an individual, can start looking. The first thing you can do is start by searching for a domain name that you want and then go about choosing the plan. If you scroll down, you can see all of these professional looking website templates are available as part of the website builder. Alright, so you can easily set up a blog, an online store, or even just a website if you are looking for one. As a developer, if you are looking to use ready to use templates for your application or design, you can use hundreds of designs that are already available. Now, I don't want to go into each of the details of this, but they are pretty stable. They have been around for a long time and they are in this industry and they are much reliable and one of the most trusted names. Let's talk about the pricing. Now, they have different pricings for different options and different solutions that you are looking for. There is no one standard rate, but if you go by the bundling, the most basic things that comes down will be around $3.99 per month. But again, there are different hosting plans that you can choose. That goes around from $5.99 per month, which is fully customizable cPanel, 25 GB storage, unlimited SSL, and no metered kind of a bandwidth there, right? If you're looking for managed WordPress hosting dedicatedly, it comes around $11.99 per month. But again, like I said, they have extremely large collection of plugins, stable. They also have WooCommerce, which means if you can set up your online store and online e-commerce website in no time with ready to use templates and details that are already there. They also have payment gateways integrated, which means everything right inside can be handled. Alright, so you have the online pay links that you can use, you have the payment card reader, you have the virtual terminal, smart terminal. If you are on a business site, you can utilize that. If you're looking to set up an online store, again, the commerce module is available for 69.99. Again, these are the best in the business, so I think you should go with them if you're looking for a serious setting up online store. That being said, these are some of the options that are available as part of the GoDaddy pricing. Do let us know your thoughts to our community. Share with me in the comment section. Have you tried GoDaddy? What is your thoughts about them? What was your experience like? We would love to know. If you want to get featured on ARC tutorials, please write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. We would love to have explore and feature new products and services for our community. Do like the video, do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.